If you're looking for women handbags ideas, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2018. Top 10 handbag strap winter 2018. Number 1, most popular, by 123 Arts. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Land Gallery. Number 3, by SeptCity. For more info about this great handbag strap, just click this circle. Number 4, by Land Gallery. Number 5, by SaSarili. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6, by Land Gallery. Number 7, by Atla. Discover more women handbags ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 8, by Donna World. Number 9, by No. The top 10 handbag strap winter 2018 were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10, by Donna World.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.